Today's learning is Household Chores vocabulary.
That's great. It will be very useful to us. Thank
Cook food. Mom, I am very happy today. You are cooking my favorite food for lunch. Ryan, I am cooking stir-fry vegetables for you. Iron clothes. Mom, can you please iron my school uniform? Do the laundry. Mary is doing the laundry. Sweep the floor. Mother is sweeping the floor. Wash the dishes. Mother is washing dishes after dinner. Make the bed. Mother makes the bed daily before sleeping. Clean the windows. Clean the window with a damp cloth. Mop the floor. Do not mop hardwood floors with hot water. Water the plants. Maria waters the plants in the morning and in the evening. Do the dusting. The drawers need dusting. Hang out the clothes. Jamie is hanging out the clothes in the sun. Set the table. Amelia is setting the table for lunch. Tidy up the room. She spent an hour tidying up the room. Organize the closet. A clean, organized closet is simply the best. Clean the bathroom. She cleans the bathroom twice a week. Do grocery shopping. Jessie is doing grocery shopping. Walk the dog. The family walks the dog every weekend. Wash the car. Andy enjoys washing the car. Let's have a recap. Cook food. Iron clothes. Do the laundry. Sweep the floor. Wash the dishes. Make the bed. Clean the window. Mop the floor. Water the plants. Do the dusting. Hang out the clothes. Set the table. Tidy up the room. Organize the closet. Clean the bathroom. Do grocery shopping. Walk the dog. Wash the car.
Wow! I love the video. Thanks you very much. Would love to watch many more videos.
See you in the next video. Bye. Please like,
share and subscribe.